Hey guys, what's up? It's Will, and I hope you're all doing great on, well, today's Tuesday, so whatever day you're watching this, I hope you're doing good. Anyway, I've had something on my mind recently. Have you ever been home alone when all of a sudden you hear this strange noise and you have no idea what it is? All kinds of crazy scenarios start running through your head. What is he doing? This guy's an idiot. What are you doing in my house? Why? Why would you do this? For the fine. Now, most people where I live would handle this in a very different way. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like the video, give it a like, I'd really appreciate it. Let me know down in the comments how you would deal with this kind of situation. If you want to stay updated with when I put out new videos, subscribe. That'd be really awesome and I'd greatly appreciate it. See you guys next time.